peppers from my porch garden, and the one that I'm most excited about today is this one. It is a lemon pepper, and it's said to have the essence of citrus in it, and I'm using it on my chicken in addition to some jalapenos and bells. So here is the finished product of my sweet and spicy chicken with robust tomato sauce that goes along with fettuccine noodles. As you can see, I have my lemon pepper here. I'm excited, and I will let you guys know in the comment below about